Hi students, today we are going to study gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are the plants which are having the naked seeds. The gymnosperm, the term gymnosperm or the gymnosperms, they are distributed all over the world, especially in the northern and southern hemispheres of the earth. You can the term gymnosperm was first time used by Theophrastus in 300 BC, first time in his book Enquiry into the Plants. General characters of gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are woody seed bearing plants which are the term gymnosperm itself indicates the gymnos means naked and sperma means seeds. Naked seeds or seeds not present in the ovary. There are about 700 to 900 extinct, means the living and non-living genres currently occurring all over the world of the gymnosperms. Mostly trees and some are shrubs, but there is no herbs at all in gymnosperms, especially while we are studying the gymnosperms, we used to see the trees and shrubs, not herbs. The root system is normal as like that of the dicotyledonous plant. The taproot system, sometimes symbiotic association may also found in the roots of the gymnosperms. For example, corolline roots of cycas, and in case of pinus, the mycorrhizal association you may found in the pinus plants. The process, they possesses the xerophytic adaptations because the plants they are growing in the xerophytic conditions. Most of the leaves as well as stem and the plants they show the xerophytic character adaptations. Heterosporous condition is common in the gymnosperms. The male and female spores they develop in the microsporophyll or on the megasporophylls. Male and female reproductive structures, that is sporophylls, that is mega and micro, they are either found on the same plants or on the different plants or on the different branches of the same plant. Classification of gymnosperms. So many workers of the taxonomy they have tried to classify the plants or the especially gymnosperms into the different groups. Actually, Pant in 1957 he has modified the earlier classification system given by the Arnold into the new classification of gymnosperms. The important modifications proposed by G.D. Pant in Arnold's system of classification they are as like follows. The Pant has given the divisions into the gymnosperms, and the gymnosperm is divided into three divisions, that is Cycadophyta, Chlamydospermophyta and Coniferophyta. We will see one by one these divisions, that is Cycadophyta. First of all, we will see the Cycadophyta. What is there in Cycadophyta? Cycadophyta is further divided into the four classes. The first class is the Pteridospermophyta, which contains the six orders, that is Legionopteryls, Medulloceles, Glossopteridales, etc. etc. And the class Cycadopsida, which also contains the order only the order Cycadales. The class Pentoxylopsida also contains the single order, that is Pentoxylales. The Pentoxylales is actually the extinct order of the gymnosperms, means the plants they are extinct. The next class of the Cycadophyta is the Bennettitopsida and the order Bennettiales, which is also the non-living plants or the extinct plants or the fossil plants. The Chlamydospermophyta is divided into only one class, that is Nitopsida, which is also represented by a single order, that is Nettles, and the another order, that is Velvetseals. Third division is Coniferophyta or Phaeophyta, Pinophyta, is divided into again four classes. The first class is Coniferopsida, which is divided into three orders: chordatails, coniferales, gingoales. Another class after the coniferales is Ephedropsida, which is divided into only one order, that is Ephedrels. Or the next class is Zachelopsida, that is also having only one order, Zechinovoskicales. And these are the some photographs of the gymnosperms, the Cycas, Gingo, and some other species of the Pinus and other plants of the gymnosperms. The another classification of gymnosperms